Hi everyone, welcome back to DKAR Info channel. In the last video, we have installed the JDK and IDE. Today, let's write our very first Java program, the classic Hello World. Step 1, let us create a new project. Currently, I am using Eclipse IDE. You guys also can use Eclipse or IntelliJ IDE. Click on Create a Java project. Give the project name Hello World. Choose the Java version Java 11. Select a reader button, create separate folder for source and class files. Click on next and finish. Once your project is ready, you will see the folder called SRC. That's where we write our code. Right click on SRC folder, select new, select class. For using create a Java class. Enter the class name as Hello World. Generate comments. Hello World class is created. Let us define main method public static void main. I have written one output statement system.out.println. Now our Java program is ready. Let's understand what's happening here. Public class Hello World. We define a class name Hello World. And then public static void main taking parameters string args. This is the starting point of every Java program. And then we have written system.out.println. Output statement is hello world. This is prints the message on the screen. Now let us run the program. Right click on the screen, run as Java application. You will see the output in the console hello world. See here. Congratulations, you just wrote your first Java program. So that's how simple it is to start coding in Java. Thank you for watching DKAR Info channel. Please subscribe and share it and like it.